What's up, everybody? Hope you guys had a great and relaxing Labor Day weekend. I spent mine at the cabin with my family and my friends and my family friends and their parents, their old teammates. A lot of them were from my M&D team or my Maryland team, and we just had a great time. So I hope you guys had one too. Came home to a very special package from Lax Sniper. They make awesome shooting targets, have asked me to test them out. So we're gonna do a little product test today and see how I like them. So here are the Lax Sniper targets. Before we do anything, obviously need to open these up. Ugh. Probably should have brought out some scissors. All right, so let's see. Little bag. Some water balloons. And another bag. So the water balloons, definitely think I'm gonna use them on another hot day for sure. These look like little cups that we shoot into, so they're plastic cups with a nice little bungee that we can attach to the goal. So there's like 4 to 6 in this one. Let's see what's in this bad boy. These are the same things, just red. So these are a little more visible, which is nice. So these are shooting targets that are red. So we're gonna go with the red ones today just because they're gonna stand out and they'll match my gold that I painted. And we're gonna test out these red Lax Sniper targets. Let's go set them up. So I actually just got some clarification on these targets from Gene, the creator, or one of the creators. You actually wanna put a water bottle in one of these, or you know, seltzer cans, soda, something that'll kind of explode and show you that you've actually hit it. So I'm gonna run inside, grab some water, and set these up. Woo! All right, so since I don't wanna waste water, we're gonna fill 3 with water bottles. Whoopsie. Slide them on in like that. And then we'll have 2 that are blank with hopes that maybe I can get the ball in the cup. All right, time to get shooting. Let's see how this goes. First tester, my shooting accuracy wasn't really there, but what I really liked about these targets is that even when I hit the net or I even hit the target, the water bottle doesn't usually fall out. It took a long time for the first water bottle to fall out, which is nice because then you don't have to stop and redo it or get reset. So now I'm gonna try for 20 shots, see how many I can hit. Whew, it's hot. I don't know why I wore a long sleeve. As you can see, all 3 water bottles are down, but all 5 targets remain up. So I call that a win. Next time I'll review the water balloons, which I think are gonna be a lot of fun. But for my first round with Lax Sniper, totally love it, love the product. Definitely gonna have my girls use it. Plus it adds a little bit of fun. You're not shooting at numbers, you're shooting at something. And if they get lucky, maybe they'll get sprayed with some water, cool off on these hot days. All right, guys, make sure you go check out Lax Sniper and get yours today. Bye.